Hey everyone, today I'm checking out a new phone cooler, the TH16 Pro. Now, the packaging looks pretty plain, nothing fancy at all. But once you open it up, the accessory bundle really makes it worth it. You get a clamp with a 1/4-inch tripod screw, a metal adhesive pad, the TH16 Pro cooler itself, and a nice white braided USB-C cable. Design-wise, the TH16 Pro clearly takes some cues from the RedMagic Cooler 6 Pro. You've got that squared-off industrial look with a big fan housing and a clean, no-nonsense layout. Alright, let's plug it in. It fires up in P3 mode by default. The digital display kicks in and shows the output climbing from 0 all the way up to about 24 to 25 watts. Just keep in mind, you'll want a charger that comfortably handles 24 watts or more with a solid connection. Otherwise, it won't hit that max output. You've got 2 physical buttons on the side to control everything. Tap the left button once and it switches to P2 mode. That's around 18 to 19 watts. Hit the right button and it shows you the real-time temperature. In my test, it dropped to -5 degrees Celsius. Press the left button again and you're in P1 mode, running at 13 watts. Check the temperature with the right button and it's sitting right around 0 to -1 degrees. One more press of the left button takes you to AI mode. This is the smart one. It automatically adjusts the power based on temperature. In my testing, it ran at about 13 to 14 watts, keeping things right around 2 to 3 degrees Celsius. Last but not least, there's a 100% mode, and this is where things get wild. Just long press the left button, and it kicks into full power. In my test, in a room sitting at 26 degrees Celsius, the contact plate dropped all the way down to -12 degrees. And yeah, it actually freezes. I scraped the surface, and you can literally see ice shards coming off. That's not a gimmick. That's legitimately impressive for a phone cooler at this price point. And trust me, this little guy punches above its weight.